Have you noticed the world sentiment score ticking up to plus 0.05? That's a notable spike when you consider our historical baseline, especially paired with a momentum increase of plus 0.12 over the last 24 hours. This indicates a shift in collective sentiment that could signal an emerging trend worth your attention. Our API returns comprehensive sentiment insights, including topic clusters and sentiment scores, giving you the contextual understanding you need to make informed decisions. Imagine using this data to adjust your trading strategy or content creation to better align with current global sentiment. With 20 semantic clusters to analyze, you can pinpoint the underlying drivers of this sentiment shift. To dive deeper into these insights, check out our documentation at pulsebit.lojenterprise.com/docs.